myself Pankaj Baldi, Center Head LN Ahmedabad, and with me is
कृतार्थ पटेल। मैंने अभी JEE एडवांस दिया एंड ऑल इंडिया रैंक 520 अचीव किया।
yeah. So this year our result is quite good, and compared to last year also it is fantastic. Total students who have cleared JEE mains were 410 as compared to the last year's 300, which was a rise of nearly 35%. And also in top 10,000 we have got 76 ranks as compared to last year's 49, and in the top 5,000 ranks we have 46 students in top 5,000 as compared to last year's 31, and similarly in top 2,000 we are having 23 students as compared to last year's 14 students. These all credit goes to this our brilliant students who have worked very hard, relentlessly very hard. They have worked day and night, and the teachers who have guided them, mentored them, and of course the parents who have supported them in their every need.
So my question is for both of you, any one of you can answer. What was your main aim, like to score or to study a topic, dive into a topic?
Yeah, Krutar, please.
Sorry, I didn't hear the question.
What was your main aim, to score or to dive into a topic, study a topic?
My primary aim was to attain a good score, but to attain that I need to dive deep into concepts, and if I don't enjoy my studies, then nothing is worthy. मतलब अगर पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है तो फिर कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है, इसलिए मेन एम तो है कि अच्छे मार्क्स, अच्छी कॉलेज, बट एट द सेम टाइम पढ़ने में एंजॉय करना भी, मतलब पढ़ने में मज़ा भी आना चाहिए।
Good. Sir, do you prepare students only for the exam or beyond exam? In other words, do you chase curiosity?
No, of course, because these kind of exams create a quite strong attitude. So you can say that while preparing for the exams, they learn each and every aspect of life. They build a strong attitude. They have a kind of, you can say, adversity quotient. They can fight and become strong and can face every kind of adverse condition, whichever they face.
And
So,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
of
continue.
course, this kind of exams prepare student for a very long journey, and they can never fail actually.
Right. And what do you want to become in future?
Currently, I want to become maybe a software engineer or something, maybe get a good job in finance or something. I will get to know after I get into IIT, after some exposure, I think.
And how are you on sports, physical education?
Sports, I was not so talented in sports, but after
But do you
the,
play or believe in physical activities?
yes, I would recommend my juniors कि studies के साथ साथ sports पे भी ध्यान देना चाहिए.
They're correlated, right?
Yes, it helps in increasing focus. अगर आप पूरे दिन पढ़ते ही रहोगे तो फिर ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपकी पढ़ाई के प्रति कुछ नेगेटिव फीलिंग्स आ जाए, तो 2 साल बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम होता है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि स्पोर्ट्स को सेक्रीफाइस करके स्टडीज़ पे ध्यान देना चाहिए। अगर स्पोर्ट्स पे ध्यान दे तो भी 2 साल इनफ है, कुछ भी रैंक आ सकता है।